Hello everyone, greetings from India and warm welcome. Today I'm talking about my little short trip which was from Delhi to Dehradun. This was back in February, and my brother who visited me in his own vehicle, in his car. So it was a great opportunity for me to get out of Delhi for a while and be safe at the same time from corona, and at the same time just visit some jungles, go for a trek or something like that. So what I saw on the way was really shocking, and that's what I'm today bringing up to you and to people who might be interested, authorities who might be interested. Maybe authorities already know about it, maybe not, I'm not sure. But as a crusader against overpopulation, human overpopulation, I'm trying to bring this to people who may be interested, who also probably sync with the thoughts I have about this whole human overpopulation issue and the problem. So we were traveling in the car, and this is normal Delhi Dehradun route 307, and this is almost when you are pretty close to Dehradun. And we saw in the forest, which obviously we were enjoying the view because it was a long time after which we went out, so we were very happy to be out. Also, this is not the first time I'm seeing this. I saw this before also on this route, but this time I had the opportunity, so I kind of made some videos on the way and kind of documented this particular encroachment I'm going to show you here. So this is I figured out this is somewhere near Batkala, and as you see, I am zooming into this now. So this is what I want you to take a notice of. Now, just a second, I'm going to remove this this tag so that we could see the whole thing properly. Yeah. So you see here what's happening here is this is all illegal construction which is right next to this river. It looks like a little tributary. This looks like the main river, and this is the route, this is the road to Dehradun, as you can see here. And I figured out that this is one of the encroachment. Actually, when you go on this route, you will see all along in the forest, all along you will see small huts here and there, which I had the opportunity to capture these little huts. I don't know if these are encroachments, but they do look like encroachments to me. And so I thought that probably I could at least, as a responsible human being, make this documentation, this video, so that people know about it and the authorities take a note of this and probably do something about it. So this is where you enter Dehradun, and that's Batkala, which is not really far from Dehradun. That's, you can see, this is the border. This is the border, that little dotted line, and that's Uttar Pradesh. This is Uttarakhand, the notorious Uttar Pradesh. I don't know if this influx is coming from there or it's from some place else. I have no clue, but this, it looks like it is inside Uttarakhand border, and so probably people or authorities from Uttarakhand can look into this matter. As far as I understand, this is the location, this is the road, that area in consideration which we were just looking at. This is where we were, traveling, and this is where we spotted these huts, this encroachment, this little development. I don't know, these are extremely visible, they are very visible from the road, not that they are inside the jungles, or there is certain some sort of kind of a hideout of a kind of a situation. Not really, you can see this from the road very clearly, but I don't think this is the land for a village to be established, or this is it looks completely like a forest land, and such kind of settlement shouldn't be happening here, because we as human beings, we just don't understand the importance of forests, and they are lungs to our cities or our settlements, and if we lose them bit by bit like this, through encroachments, through human aggression, I see it as aggression. We think that we can do anything. It doesn't look so, and that's why we are today ending up with climate change, and that's how the nature is attacking back. So we definitely need to stop this. This is absolutely insane, the way we are going further. This is not evolution, this is not at all evolution. So we must, each one of us must bring this issue up, maybe try to reach the authorities. If you are an authority, you must do something about it. That's why I'm bringing this particular video. I am going to tweet this also. I have some followers on Twitter who belong to Uttarakhand. I'm expecting they will also share this further, so that this particular news reaches more people. Thank you.